Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove the speed limiter from your Volvo using the Orbit software. So this is super easy to do using the Orbit software. I already have the computer hooked up to my car. And I do have another video on the channel on how to buy Orbit and get started with Orbit and do some configurations to your car. The car is already connected to the laptop, so I click the connect bar at the top. Once it turns green, the car is connected to Orbit. Next, I go into the configurator and search for speed limiter in the search bar. The configuration we're looking for appears here. Speed limiter ID 043. The current setting on this 2019 model is limited to 210 kilometers per hour, but we can change it using the new setting option. When I open the new setting menu, it shows a range of available speed limits in both kilometers per hour and miles per hour, going all the way up to 300 kilometers per hour. I'll set mine to 270 kilometers per hour. I could go higher, but it's really not necessary. Now I click Write to Car to apply the change. A warning pops up about the battery level being low. Since I'm close to home, I'll go ahead and press OK to proceed. Another confirmation window appears showing the current speed limit and the new one we're about to apply. Everything looks correct, so I press OK. The car now starts programming. During this process, you may hear buzzing or clicking sounds from the car. That's completely normal. I'll speed this part up. The flashing is now complete and the progress bar turned green, which means the process finished successfully. The log also shows a successful write, so the new top speed limit is now set to 270 kilometers per hour. With everything finished, I disconnect Orbit. Unfortunately, I can't demonstrate the new top speed due to legal restrictions. Alright, and so that was pretty much it on how to remove the speed limiter using the Orbit software. It is really easy, and I do have another video, like I said, in my channel where I talk a little bit about Orbit and how to get started with Orbit and about the risks that comes with Orbit, so make sure to check that video out. Now this one is 2019, so it doesn't have the 180 kilometers an hour restriction. It is restricted to 210 kilometers an hour. The newer ones have the 180 kilometers an hour restriction, and the process will be exactly the same using the Orbit software, just like I did on this 2019. And so that will be pretty much it for this video. If you haven't watched my other video on how to get started with Orbit, then please check that one out. And as always, if you have any questions about this video, then please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.